How's it going, guys? It's your boy Voltic bringing you another video. This is going to be a vlog, and yesterday we went to Fort Wayne for high school soccer. We had a tournament and we won the first game 3-1. We won the second game 8-0. Let's go. We got that trophy. And we had 2 hours to do anything in between, so I'm going to show you what happened. And thank you guys for all the support lately. We've been killing it. So make sure to smash that like button and let's get to the video. Can I get rice? Yeah. We're out here eating good. Got some chicken and some rice. Got that Gatorade for that energy. What you got, Alex?
Bro, I got some rice, I got some orange chicken, mushroom chicken, soy sauce, and Mountain Dew.
We got Ari over here, smashing boy.
Not yet.
We got Peludo.
Orange chicken and rice, you know.
We got Alan over here.
The usual.
Damn, some white rice and some chicken. Just out here eating our chicken, man. That stuff was good, but I got full as heck.
Oh my.
Alex, what are you doing?
I'm trying to cut this, bro.
We're out here, just got done eating. We're about to go over there to Dick's. We're about to go meet up with some more of the team.
That's good.
For real, bro.
Oh, I think this switch is... That's the next one. I think this switch is cold.
Oh! Cold. How much it cost? How much it cost?
Switch on that. Oh my, Alex balling. Alex, find a hoop, bro. This one. Oh my. We need to chill.
They always do. I just said that.
We got the cleats.
Hey, you literally know this.
Brandon.
These are alright. I tried them on in bigger size with the high tops. They're like 170.
Oh,
I
these
didn't
are
like how it
pretty
feels,
nice.
though. Yeah, those are nice right there. These are the me and Peludos.
Oh, they have Neymar's.
What?
This is Neymar.
He does?
Yeah, because he made these shoes.
We're gonna boom Neymar?
Yeah. These are fire, but I want
Is that your size? Dude, look at these chanclas though. You guys know how to order these. These are sick. Let me show you. Damn, you think they'll fit me, bro?
Oh, for sure, bro.
Yeah, they'll probably
Get
fit
like
me.
a thin sock.
Yeah, I should wear a thin sock and they'll probably fit me.
no sock.
Yeah, bro. Let me see. Yeah, they'll probably fit me though. For real, bro? Alright. I'm gonna order these for Christmas. Those are sick.
Bro, these are sick.
I'm gonna pre-order.
These are sick. Problem is that they don't go with green.
Those?
Yeah.
Those are dope.
Bro, these are sick.
Dude, actually I wanted these. Back in the season. These are nice. These are nice. What size is that?
Alex, I'm pretty sure these fit you, Alex.
What size is that, Alex?
9.5.
I want to get the
Law, it
first
says dope. I like that. It's dope. Where you going, Alex? Where's this man going? Let's go hunting. Look at all this stuff.
Yeah, let's go look at the clothes.
Bet. This one's nice. Actually, there's nothing here. It's all camouflage. Damn, empty stuff, man.
Look at the soccer box too.
Look at this. Ooh, this one.
I know Edgar will buy this, bro.
I'll put this on.
Hey, Edgar will buy this.
Which one? Oh snap! Calling out Edgar Galindo. Look at all this. Your stuff, bro. That's Edgar on the shirt.
Bro, he would buy this whole section.
For real.
Alan, your brother would buy this whole section.
There's his brother.
Nah.
Hey, bro. I said there's Edgar on the shirt.
Bro.
It's Edgar on the shirt, boy.
Hey, you think it would have perfect, bro.
Probably a size smaller, bro.
Oh, yeah, you're right. What is this? 2T?
Let me see. Try this one.
Oh, bro, you're right.
Bro.
Gotta get that little button
fit you?
up. For sure, bro.
Actually, I think this one. This one's more of your type.
Bro. Hasta ya tiene tanga.
I was. Yeah, damn, bro. None of these will fit you. They're too big.
That's what I'm saying. I'll get the names.
I just found the nicest shoes. Damn, I'm gonna have to cop them. Hold up. Look at these, boy. Damn, bro. When he don't like them at school? Hey, bro, they're gonna be looking good at school.
What did that one guy, white guy, say? He said, what is boot gang? A gang of boot?
Damn, look at these, boys. Will they last 2 years until senior year? Yeah.
Fuck it.
Damn, bro, I'm gonna be looking fresh, boy.
Just never take them off.
I look like a hype beast. I'm
Huh?
gonna have to cop them real quick.
Shit, man.
40 miles per hour, bro. Not even, bro. This one goes 100.
Hey, you can even don't even sit on it.
See this one, bro.
Don't even sit on it.
Ariel, if you sit on it,
You gonna order it?
There's Brandon. You got a hard worker over here too. Look at that. Stupid ass. Anyway. I'm gonna power to
Let's lift some weights real quick.
take this that boy easily.
I'm about to lift some weights.
I see his movie.
Damn, we need to get big before our second game. Let's get it.
You know these make you sweat.
We gotta start off with the biggest weights.
These gotta make you sweat.
We gotta work these muscles. They're called the caps. I know my muscles.
Brandon,
What?
I gotta practice my boxing.
Oh yeah. We need to start boxing too. I think that's enough workout for now. Alright, let's see your boxing skills, bro.
Bro, this is actually pretty hard to get.
Up.
I'm missing. It's hard.
Damn, bro.
Look.
Here, you
hard.
wanna see me box, bro? Probably one of the best boxers. Damn.
What the?
What's up? I'm calling you guys out. Let's fight.
Right there. Do that one. Do that one. Oh yeah, Brandon.
Damn. Mayweather, I'm calling you out. I'm about to knock you out, boy.
That's a neck. What's up, sir? Family.
Damn, bro. Let's see your touch. Pass it.
You're the champion.
Oh my. Bro, you almost hit his club. Let's see, Alex. Let's see what you got, boy. Damn. Okay.
Hey, do that one. Do that one.
Oh my.
What the fuck? It's actually hard. Nah, I'll do this shit.
Damn. Dang, Peludo. How many championships have you won? Damn.
Bro, no, nobody can handle me, bro.
Jesus, this man's a world champion out here.
Bro.
Oh, we got size 10. Freaking.
bro.
Oh my.
Hey, pitch in and we all buy one?
I'm gonna have to show off the real skills now.
Whoa, Brandon. What's up? You're not ready, bro. You're not ready.
What do you do, bro?
Hey, you're not ready.
Got a good boxing session. Oh. Let's see your touch, Alex. Oh. Amazing one, too.
Hey, bro. We need to practice up with these. Like, you pose us.
Oh.
And then, like, we have to, like,
That would be pretty good.
that would help us a lot.
Oh. Look at my fist. They're red, bro. These right here. Look. I'll show you. This one, do I look good in it? I look good in this hat?
That's up to you.
Yeah, thank you. It's a lady's hat though?
What does it say in the back?
It doesn't
I don't
say
know.
it, just-
It's nice.
Some of them are unisex. You just can't have sex with a hand.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alex.
Yeah. Unisex. Doesn't make any difference.
Oh yeah.
So it looks good though, really.
Yeah, it does.
I hate to admit it, but it does look good.
Yeah, thank you. Oh crap, I just dropped it. This one, bro. I'm gonna have to get it. I'm gonna have to be looking fresh. Look at this man. This is a normal Mexican with the basketball playing soccer. He crashed into this. Oh no. We might have to hoop right now. I don't think any of these are open. Let me see real quick. What's up? Oh no, none of these are open, bro. Oh wait, Alex. Oh no, you can't put this down. Try putting that down. I'm coming.
This is pretty dope.
Let me see. Damn, this one's nice. How much?
I don't know.
It says free. Let's take it. What does it
Bro,
say?
let's go, bro. We can walk.
Yeah, tell them that we were gonna bring it back after our soccer game. Dude, I swear they have some nice soccer balls. Oh my, it does. With the Nemesis.
Yeah.
This thing's nice. I like this one. Oh no, this one's a little.
Hey, you know what we should do? Just
Look at this.
Look at this.
The difference.
Look behind you. Look behind you.
Oh
Behind you.
this Champions League ball. Oh.
Oh, it's fire. This one, I like this one for ours.
Yeah.
For our shoes.
I would get bored.
This is too cheap.
And this one too. Like I said, they have a bunch of nice ones. About to leave the store now. This one's nice. Oh, we got the man Alex. He's always out here.
Show 7-Eleven. No, 7. Snapchat.com. Snapchat.com.
Bro, it says do not enter, bro. It's not gonna open. Come on, go through here, bro. Yeah, you can go through here. It's cool. Thank you. Let's go, bro. Gotta get out. I don't know, man. Damn, the light is bright. We're about to go to the mall now. Way to the mall. It's all the way over there.
Secure the bag.
Yeah, we just secured the bag. We forgot the bag. We had to run back. Can't believe I forgot it too. It has his phone and everything. And they already went to the mall, so we're behind. We're about to go meet up with them. We're at the mall now. This place is sick. Right, Alex? This place is nice. All the stores and
Not
everything.
better than Concord Mall, though.
Yeah, Concord Mall is where it's at. You guys gotta visit it.
We have an indoor plant thing.
For real. We just found them. They haven't even seen us. We're hiding from them real quick. Bro, for real?
Let's just hold this pose, bro.
Bro,
You
for
will.
the
Take
video.
off your socks.
That'll be the thumbnail, bro.
Take off your socks.
This man, wait. Hold up, bro. I got you. I gotta go somewhere in a better spot.
Hurry up.
This man's about to jump in there. I'm gonna show you guys. Bro, this man's about to put the thumbnail for the video. You ready, bro? All right, Alex, bro. Oh my God. Alex. Oh my, look at this man. Wait, I'm gonna feel the water. This thing is sick. Oh crap, that's cold. Marshalls right now.
They said no socks, no shoes, no service.
True.
Shit.
No socks, no shoes, no service, bro. Where'd Bailey go?
Yeah. Yeah. Billy.
Dame contact. Bro, you should have seen Alex. He jumped in the water playing. Look at this man.
For the vlog.
Yeah, bro. This man did it.
Hey,
I'm not that wet.
shout out to my YouTube. Blaze OG.
That's how I get wet on the daily during the game anyways. You're carrying the water.
Water boy.
You guys on the soccer team or something?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you already play or you're gonna play?
We had our first game at 9 o'clock. We have a second game at 3:30.
Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Good luck to you.
Thank you.
You do all right. Is it like winner, single elimination type thing?
It's you play 2 games, and if you win both, you should win. But if you tie, if
Yeah.
Okay.
Bro, it felt good. Bro, right when my feet touched the bottom, like the, you know how like the pennies, that shit hurt.
Getting ready for the game, Billy. Now we're about to go to GameStop. Dude, where's GameStop at?
Tell me where they had to go back.
I know it's a joke, Billy.
Tell me why they had to go back to that was my fault. He left that bag.
Yeah, I left this
with his
bag
phone
in
it.
Dick. We're already like halfway here.
They really remember.
Let's go to GameStop.
He's full.
We better
Where y'all
go.
going?
I don't know where they went.
The bus?
Jeez, it's too early.
Way too early. Still got like 50 minutes.
Bro, can you see me in the reflection?
Bro, I'm gonna buy GTA right now. Say one.
Huh. Good.
Basically, what Pro Day is see this right here?
Yeah.
Are you guys rewards members with us?
Huh?
Are you guys rewards members with us?
I am.
Yeah.
Alright, so basically what that means is you get all these benefits. You get actually some trade credit, buy one get one free on this. Double your benefit today. So basically, you know how normally you get 10% off?
Yeah.
Now you get 20. If you trade anything in, you get an extra 10.
No, you know what we need to get? We need to get a Nintendo Switch. Dude, they're right here. The Nintendo Switch is old. I've never played it though, but Mario plus Rabbids. Think of this. Ariel, man.
I'm sad.
He's sad. What happened? What happened, bro?
You wanna know?
Yeah, bro. Wanna say it? Oh my god, bro, that's sad. You need anything, man? Yeah. Out here, man. I got some chicken for you in this bag. Here. I got some chicken for you, man. Nah, man, I got you, bro.
Bro, you can do something because you're gonna be a low rank than everybody.
On Grand Theft Auto?
Yeah. I'll do heist. I'll do heist with you. Just don't suck ass.
Hello. He's buying Grand Theft Auto for you?
Yeah, bro. Hey, I'm gonna
Gotta be 18.
my car, bro.
What is that? How old are you, Padula?
17, bro.
17, man. You're flying. Wait, is it on? Damn, it's not on. Where are we headed now, bro?
It was like $3.
I owe you 3 and I owe him 1.
This man really just bought Grand Theft Auto.
I bought it. What you mean?
He said when you're 15, I want Grand Theft Auto.
That's why the man Alan came in clutch.
That's what we gotta hang out with.
Hey, bro, he owes you. He owes you big time, right? He owes you big time.
Not really. You said cigarettes, huh?
This place is nice as hell. Bro, they're after us. He's looking for us right now. Oh, snap. Let's go, bro. People look at me like, what are you doing?
It don't matter.
Right. People look at me like, what are you doing?
They just mad. They just mad because they don't got a YouTube channel.
No, bro.
They just mad because
They're mad because they don't got a YouTube.
Because they don't know who Voltic GB
They're
is.
not out here grinding. They're out there like working a
Follow,
factory job.
subscribe, Voltic GB.
Oh yeah.
Come on, bro. Let's go, bro. Bro, you gotta
This is
take your
scary.
beard, bro.
Come on, Alan.
Take your beard.
He's about to punch
Go,
him.
take your beard. Don't be scared, bro. Bro, walk
Go.
through this.
What's that do? You think it does?
What?
That's dope. What the heck, bro? Oh. Go get it, Alan. Go get it.
I'm not doing it. I will punch something.
It's dope. Oh, bro, I wanted this one. Damn, next time I come. Hey, Alan, put that on. Put that hoodie on.
No, mama's
Yeah.
No, this hoodie, low-key, is pretty dope.
Is this supposed to be ripped?
It's not a hoodie, it's a
It's
fucking...
supposed to be ripped, right?
Yeah.
Oh, let's all put a mask on, bro. Hey, Alex, they got it.
Oh shit.
Wait, no. Put that on, bro. Damn.
What up, nigga?
Damn, that's not what Pennywise says, boy. I'm gonna put it on. What the hell?
He got a gun sticking out his eye.
Here, Alex, hold this. I'm gonna put this one on.
Oh shit.
Does it look Gucci?
Ariel, you would look good on this one.
Georgie. Sounds good.
Bro, you already got known. I gotta get a new haircut.
You ripped it, bro.
Watch out, Brandon. I gotta get a new haircut.
Oh, when I was little, I used to have this one.
Let me cut your hair.
I can actually cut it good with this one, though. Wait, Alex, look at this. Does this make noise?
Bro, you already know I'm gonna have to cop. How does this look on me, bro?
No, Ellen, look. No. Hey, for Christmas?
I mean, Halloween.
For Christmas?
Let's walk around the store.
Scare people.
He scared the little girl.
Take it. Scare Alan with this. Put it in the. Take this off, bro. Let's go. Let's go scare him. Pop out of somewhere. Go in front of him and shake it.
Hey, Brandon. Step on this, Brandon. Step on this.
Look at your little friend.
Brandon,
Oh, it's bad.
step on this.
Step on it?
Yeah.
Alright, hold it here.
Step here.
Oh!
Go step on that one. Step on that
Which one? Over here. There's another one? Hold on. I want to see what it does. Oh, this thing just went up. What up, bro? How you doing, man? This thing is dope, man. Oh, bro. I want to get this one. This one's nice. Dang it. Alex, bro. Oh, crap. They got Ouija board stuff. Alex, look at this. Hey, Ariel, did you guys see this stuff? Jeez. Oh, my God.
Oh, hell.
Oh, let's play it. I'm down.
Bro.
Down. Let's get down.
This is the most possessed.
Play it on the bus. It's right there.
Play it on the bus.
I'm down.
Play it on the bus.
Oh, you guys are...
No, ain't down.
There's basically one up there, but I don't even...
Oh, bro.
Bro, what the heck is it?
You're gonna buy it, bro.
Bro, that gave me a chill. Just
That?
looking at it.
Looking at that?
Yeah.
I know, right? No, look at these babies. What is this, bro? Alan, come get your baby, boy.
She ain't my
Take care of him.
It ain't my baby. It ain't even dark as me.
Look just like Alan.
No, it ain't even dark as me.
Okay, not the skin color though.
Bro, that lucky gives me a chill.
Damn. Hey, smash that like button. Shoot it. All right, we're about to leave this store. Oh. Oh, bro, look at that. I think that one was the best store, the most fun. Now we're about to go back to the bus.
We're about to steal this bus real quick. Yeah, let's go.
Why are they taking us back?
What? Let's go, bro. We're about to steal a bus. I don't know whose it is.
This is Concord. Come here.
Is this Concord? I'll cut that piece off.
whoa! You almost threw my rice.
Did you get a game?
Yeah.
What'd you get?
GTA.
GTA, Grand Theft Auto.
What you mean? We gotta go this way.
How many people did you go with?
There's another player in the team.
Gang.
This is Jesus right here. He got the Jesus sandals, boy. We gotta go to church. We got CJ. We're gonna be at this man's house later.
For the fight.
I still hate
We got some lazy people. We're about to have a soccer.
And then we got this faggot.
Still hate Clown.
He's stupid.
Everyone in here is being lazy right now. Look at this, man. On our way here, it's like an hour and a half. Boom. Everyone's sleeping, man.
Wait for your food.
Right now, we're just waiting for the rest of the team. Oh, crap. Me and Alex, man, we got those VIP seats in the back.
For sure.
For sure, bro. Look at
Big seats.
me and Alex, man. Alex, you secured the bag, bro?
Secured the bag.
Secured the bag alert.
This. Some charger.
Damn, bro.
Some cookies. And
Hell yeah.
some Gatorade.
Yeah, that's not even Gatorade, that's Mountain Dew.
So if you guys made it to the end of the video, thank you guys. You guys are the real ones. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and like I said, we won that tournament. But stay tuned for more content. Peace.